How to fix YouTube is not supported on this device on TV. Easy fix. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the YouTube is not supported on this device problem on your TV. This issue usually appears on older smart TVs or devices when the app is outdated or no longer supported. But don't worry, I'll show you several simple solutions you can try. So let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your TV and check if the error message appears when you try to launch it. Fix 1. Update the YouTube app. The first thing you should do is check for updates. Go to the App Store or Apps section on your smart TV. Search for YouTube, and if an update option is available, install the latest version. After updating, open the app again and see if the problem is fixed. Fix 2. Restart your TV. Sometimes the issue happens because of temporary system glitches. Turn off your TV completely, unplug it from the power outlet, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in and turn it on again. Now open the YouTube app and check if it works. Fix 3. Reinstall the YouTube app. Another helpful solution is to reinstall the app. Go to your TV app's settings, find the YouTube app, and uninstall it. After that, go back to the App Store and install YouTube again. This refreshes the app files and often fixes compatibility issues. Fix 4. Use YouTube casting. If your TV no longer supports the YouTube app, you can still watch videos by casting. Open the YouTube app on your phone, tap the cast icon, and select your TV. This allows you to stream videos from your phone directly to your TV. Fix 5. Use a streaming device. If the app is permanently unsupported on your TV, you can use an external streaming device like Amazon Fire TV Stick, Google Chromecast, or Roku Streaming Stick. These devices support the latest YouTube app and work with almost any TV. Ending. So that's how you can fix the YouTube is not supported on this device on TV using these simple methods. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.